Hello, traders. Hello, everybody. Thank you so much for tuning in to today's live stream. I hope you all are having a wonderful. Today is Thursday, right? Let me just confirm. With sometimes the iPhone thing and the facial feature. Yep, today is a beautiful Thursday. So, how was your Thursday, everybody? One more day until the weekend. Okay. So, if you guys are holding up, okay, just hold on a little bit more. I hope you'll have a wonderful day. Today's trade, right? I won't be doing a new pairing or anything because we discussed about BTC yesterday, basically Bitcoin. And from what we can see, right? Remember I told you guys do but again lah, it is predictions, okay? So I told you guys that don't really aim for sells, okay? Focus more on buys. So if you see, the reason why is I said there's a very well respected OB zone resting below, okay? And this is again high time frame OB zone, guys. All right. So based on this OB zone, right? Why I say don't focus on sell is because if you guys are focusing on sell, yes, you might have made money, okay, but at the same time, okay, it depends what kind of what is your trading goal lah. Okay, if you guys every day also want to find opportunity, then in a trend, okay, this is a trend. All right, so basically you will be looking to gain opportunity in this move, also at the same time in this move. So basically the impulse and also the pullback lah. Me personally, I don't like to focus on the pullback. Okay, it's not because the pullback is how to say lesser, how to say the chance of profitability is a lot lesser or anything, not like that, no such thing like that. I personally prefer to focus more on the impulse move just because the reward is a lot more better. And then at the same time, if I know the trend is moving towards the upside, for example, right? Okay, why not I just follow that trend? And then the leg up is always bigger than the leg down. Another thing to just let you guys know lah, okay? Why also I don't trade pullbacks is because, okay, based on standard, not this is standard, the basic knowledge. Okay, sorry guys, I don't know what is happening to my music. Okay, now it's okay. I like this one. Put your okay. I'm gonna repeat this music. So if you guys get boring, means I'm sorry. I like this one. Okay, where was I? Oh yeah. So the basic understanding of a pullback, right, is at least it will go to equilibrium level, at least lah. Okay, but in most cases, okay, this does not always happen, guys. This one, it does not reach equilibrium level. Sometimes trade can come just up to here, sometimes it can go way below. Okay, so it is not a confirmed thing, it's just how to say a prediction level lah, on where healthy price action would usually tend to move towards prior to another leg up or another leg down. Okay, so since we are not able to really identify the pullback range, but if we understand that we are in an uptrend, we are able to identify how far possibly the trend can be moving to based on previous liquidity areas, based on previous key levels. Okay, that is what we can really, how to say, get a lot more of a clearer picture compared to a pullback. So this is just my own preference, which is why I do not care much or focus much on this move down, even though there is opportunity to earn. But at the same time, I rather skip earning just this much of pips compared to, you see, all of this low resistance liquidity, which I am quite, not, I cannot say confident, but I really predict that all of this will be taken out, and then also this H4 zone. So if you guys realize, see, this is how much I could have eaten, okay, compared to right now waiting. Okay, I could have eaten all the way up here. So you see, the leg up is always a lot more rewarding, and also is a lot more safer for you guys, especially if you guys are new to trading. Okay, I will highly recommend that you guys focus on the impulse move rather than the pullback. Okay, don't try to trade both direction. Okay, don't get very greedy. Once you have enough experience in the market, once you have enough experience in whatever pairing that you're choosing lah, okay, please don't choose 10 pairs, don't choose 5, don't even choose 2. Okay, if you're starting off in trading, please just focus on one. All right, whichever pairing that you guys like lah. Okay, if you like, okay, Bitcoin, everybody talking about Bitcoin, okay, I want to focus on Bitcoin, good. You made the first step, which is making a decision. All right, if you want to focus on anything else, all right, Ethereum, you see, like me, right, this is just the 4 main cryptocurrencies that I focus on. Just these 4. Even for forex wise, right, okay, this is the only 2 forex pairs that I focus on majority lah. So Euro USD, GBP USD, I don't worry about this lah. This one is I'm testing certain things out. Yeah, so gold also, I like to see gold. You know, these are just the 3 pairings lah. Gold is not forex lah. Okay, but these 2, Euro USD and GBP USD. If you ask me why I like these 2 pairing, nothing really that special about them lah. I just like them because my trading style, okay, my trading preference, the way I trade basically works very well with these pairings, what I realize. And at the same time, most brokers, right, okay, they give like the zero swap, okay, fees and all for these 2 pairings lah. Usually lah, I always get a very good price. So I try to see which one benefits me the most, and then at the same time, which one works very well with my trading style. So these 2 works very well with my trading style. That's why I like these 2 pairings. It's nothing like really special, or they have all any thought of special power in trading or anything. That's why I keep using them. No, it's just what works best for me, and what you have to do as traders is just figure out what works best for you. All right, because whatever you do is very important, because that is what will reflect in what type of trader you will eventually become. Either a profitable one, which I really hope, and I know everybody can. Okay, it just depends on how much you really want it, and are you willing to work for it or not. If you guys are interested to learn trading, right, any of the concepts, right, based on my past live streams, all you can go through. There are some that I did live trading examples also, which where how the trade went to TP. Everything was live. Every single move was captured live. If you guys want to learn all of those confluences and all, right, you guys can register for free through the link in the description below. I also have my WhatsApp number where you can reach out to me personally to clarify more about the cost and everything lah. All right, just let me know, guys. If you guys have any other questions, so feel free to leave it in the chat section. We can talk anything else, not only about trading, whatever you guys want to talk about. Okay, just keep it clean. Okay, if I tell you guys some chats I get in Instagram are quite scary. So just give me a moment. Okay, let me clean it up a bit, because this was yesterday the level that I was interested in for H2, but today this is not the level that I should be focusing on, because the level has changed to this zone right now lah. Okay, so I'll be cleaning up the charts a bit, so you guys just sit back, relax, enjoy the music, and then any questions, just let me know, guys. Okay, just give me a moment. guys, basically this is what I'm kind of predicting lah, and what I want to see happen. I overall my bias, like what I said yesterday, I really think the leg up is going to be starting, which means we are going to be moving up lah, since the overall trend is towards the upside. Um, I want this to happen, okay, whereby price to come lower, at least to strip more liquidity, which will give me a lot more of a stronger bias that uh, bulls actually really want to push price up, take out low resistance liquidity. This is not the only TP range, okay. Actually, the TP range is a lot here. This is what I'm looking for to be taken out, okay. 111.770.4. All right, but the safe ones will be this low resistance liquidity areas. This is also a low resistance liquidity area, and this one. So what price is this? This is a 110.683. Ngam is a round number somewhere. So probably this is where I'm predicting price to head to. The ultimate is of course this, but I'm hoping like actually I want to see price move lower first. But I have to bear in mind that New York Open is about to begin in an hour. Alright. So for 1 hour time frame, okay, for price to move all the way up to here, right? It's not impossible unless we have like a really huge candle. Let me just confirm. Is it Newsday? These are the things that I should be checking priority. You guys also should, and if you guys want to know which website or anything, and it's just Forex Factory. Just search forexfactory.com, no space in between. Today is 29, guys. Today got news earlier at 8:30. So the news actually just finished off. We have one more at 10 lah, pending home sales. Okay. My personal advice, right? Okay. Most people would advise you guys to only focus and be careful with news that is labeled as red color. Okay, don't do that. Also focus on the one that is orange color. Okay, orange and red, because even though red is more serious than orange, okay, there will still be some form of impact. So just be aware for those scalpers. If you guys swing traders, means don't worry much about it. So 10 o'clock. Okay, the news already came out. 8:30. Okay, not seeing much any impact also should be good now. So let's see if, I mean, I really want this to happen, but we're not so sure. If you ask me why I want this to happen, guys, it's just based on my trading style, my trading strategy. To be honest, I can enter off right now. Actually, I can enter off right now because we're already in the bullish push up. But I don't want to go through any what they call drawdown. I don't want to have much drawdown. Why I want to risk just entering off right now with a lot smaller lot size, so that my drawdown limit will be like within my personal risk management level. Rather, I just wait for price to come in, because since I already know the overall move, not know, I cannot say this. Okay, I predict the overall move will be moving towards the upside, like what I highlighted yesterday. Since we are in a protected OB area, and now we're in a second protected OB area plus bullish fair value gap. I said it a long time ago. Just remember, guys, we must always label our fair value gaps. This is bullish fair value gap. I don't label it because I know. Okay, if you guys are starting off, label them as bullish fair value gap. So let's just see. I won't be streaming while the market open, guys, because I need to go to Tesco. Okay, Lotus, because I'm a human, and we all of us are human. Traders all are human. To buy some groceries. Okay, because I need to cook something for dinner later. Other than trading, I also have a big passion for cooking. So yeah, I need to go and buy some groceries now. Overall, I'm seeing a move down now. And if price goes below this level, right, we're currently in bearish move down in 30 minutes. 1 hour, okay, like this is the liquidity of 1 hour. Let's see. This is just something that I kind of want to see happen, but we also have a lot of liquidity ranges within the 5-minute time frame. This is also one which I also okay with strips, and then I'm seeing the positive move to the upside. Maybe I can just mark it up first. Oh no, not with this one. We have okay. All right. Okay, let me just pull this over. Yeah. Okay, so there's like two instances lah. If I see any form of good reaction from here, market respecting, this will be my entry. Okay, this will be the not. Yeah, this is ultimate. No, this is not ultimate. This is my ultimate. All right. So depending on what I see when market come to this range, what happens, versus what I see when market come to this range, what happens lah. Okay. The ideal one, I really want to see market come up to this level. Okay, but we're not sure yet. So, like I said, I like to trade within the first 2 to 3 hours for New York session, first 2 to 3 hours for Asia, and first 2 hours only for London. Because London, I don't know lah. For me, I feel first 2 hours is good enough. After that, I don't really focus on London. See, it's already coming down now. Okay, that means what? Just remember, price right now coming down means not enough liquidity. You want to go grab more liquidity to move up. Okay. That's what essentially every pullback is. Every pullback coming down is just to grab enough liquidity for you to continue another move up, even if it's an uptrend. Pullback in the downtrend, every pullback that is moving up is just going to get more liquidity to move down. That's it. Trading is simpler than you think, but because it's so simple, that's why we make a lot of easy mistakes. Alright, so okay, you guys can take a screenshot or anything about this overall bias that I have. Don't just enter blindly. Okay, remember I set the zones all is just marking areas for me to see what price will do when price reach or if price reaches these areas. Okay, don't just be, oh, gonna mark this level, let's buy, it's already come here. Oh, gonna mark this level, it came here, let's just buy. Please don't, guys. That's not trading. Trading is we mark out key levels, we mark out key areas that is visible to us based on price action, and then we wait and see what price is doing to those areas. Price will tell you. Okay, just wait. Price will always tell us uphand if you want to respect this area and move on. Oh no, it's totally going to reverse, because to be honest, everything even though showing going up, right, there is still chance it will just reverse and then go down. Alright, there is still liquidity areas below, a lot. Alright, there is still a lot of potential that price can go down. Just know this. Alright, respect price, respect the markets. Like every day is a new day. No matter how many wins we get, okay, always humble ourselves. Better we humble ourselves than let the market humble us lah. Because the market won't humble us a little bit. It'll humble us until he hantam kau already. Okay. I think guys, I will just live stream until maybe 8:45, 8:50, and then I gotta go get ready and go ready because Lotus close at 10. I gotta go in quick and get some stuff. Okay, I just play the music first. Any question, just feel free to ask, guys. Okay. Remember, you guys can take a screenshot of this too for later lah. Okay, guys, so I think I will be ending the live stream here. Okay, just remember, guys, the overall bias is still towards the upside. But again, do not use this as a 100% thing. Okay, nothing in trading is 100%. All of us are just trading based on experience and based on what price action is telling us. All right, so far, price action is telling me that we're moving towards the upside. Just remember, we are using our higher time frame bias because higher time frame hold higher power. Okay, to understand overall where the trend is probably going to move towards too. Okay, we also have low resistance liquidity areas. We have this is okay, H1 liquidity area, this one, and then H4 liquidity area, which is the ultimate lah. Okay, where I probably think price may be heading to, and then after that, if you reach here already, then it will continue going higher because this is the highest point so far for Bitcoin. All right, so just focus on this. I will catch you all in the very next live stream. I'm not sure if tomorrow or not, but if I'm live streaming again tomorrow, I will let you guys know. Okay? Any questions as all, please feel free to, maybe you guys can leave a comment now because I will end the live stream with it, so I won't see the chat with you lah. Okay? If you guys interested, again, remember to learn from me directly. There is a free link. Okay, there where you can register and you can text me to ask more details and all that. Okay? I'll be more than happy to reply you guys. So I hope this live stream was insightful for you as it was for me. Have a wonderful rest of the day, everybody. Okay, have an amazing dinner. I will catch you all in the very next live stream. Take care, guys. Bye bye.